everyone, Pia together, Pia. Pia. 3, 2, 1, Pia. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. See you later po. Good night.
Mahal na mahal po tayo.
Okay, for our security, so, okay. Okay, let's proceed. Let's start. The first, hi-bye po siya, hi-bye. Dito yung video, yes. Okay, so please follow our local staff for the VIP group photo. Yeah, please fall in line. Please fall in line. Arrangement with the number arrangement. Group 1 po, yeah. Okay, 10 po muna. Pila po tayo, 10. Sa group photo po, no phone. No phone for group photo. No phone po sa group photo. Please follow our local staff. Thank you. Please follow our local staff. Thank you. Please follow our local staff. By 10. Fall in line, please. Next 10. Next 10. Next 10 po. Yan. Napila po. By 10 po tayo, ha. By 10. By grouping po. Yan. Please follow our local staff. Please follow our local staff. Pick 10 po, ha. 10. Cut po by 10. Cut by 10. Next group. Next group, please. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, thank you. Wow, tapos na po yung benefits. Maraming thank you so much, Evos. You guys are really awesome. But before we end the show, do you have any last message to our Filipino Evos?
Everyone, thank you guys for everything today. We feel a lot of love. We feel a lot of energy, and you guys giving us such a heartwarming time today. I think we can't forget this like forever. So we just want to say, love you, Filipino Evos. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. That's 3, 2, 1.
Okay. babae na po natin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Yes, follow their social media. And once again, thank you so much, Robinson Las Piñas.